Here today on a rainy Wednesday. Still got lots of pie. Yes, it is delicious. All organic, feeding the farmers. Here's the bus tour. These beautiful people here. This gorgeous salad we made. And 2 soups. Mr. Matt, smile. Matt Malay. And then we got the focaccia from Gabriella's. And all these gorgeous faces. Brighton, Denovan. This is way too much fun. Here's Jim, the legend.
Cool. Awesome. Ooh, nice.
Signing legend. That is so cute. One of my true heroes in life. I mean, inside, there's Carrie. Ah, thank you! Everybody's happy. Chowing down. The pioneers of organic farming right here.